strongly bearish. TNXP is down 17.49% in the regular session of today, the 19th of March 2025. At the close of the last trading session, the company disclosed on impressive earnings outcomes, and the market participants have reacted in that regard. So during that session, it printed an intraday high of $21.7. So if you take that 21.7 and you take this low of roughly, okay, let's take this low of 16.09, you have a difference of around $4 or thereabout. You have a difference of around $5.66 or thereabout, $5.66. And if you multiply that by 1.61, you have an upper projection of 26.21. Okay, 26.21. Let's see now. We can actually try and project even further. Okay. Okay, so let's see now. We can try and project one a lot further. We have 26.21. Yeah, so we have 26.21 and 31.74. 26.21 and 31.74. Yeah, these are the sort of things that it can print. If you have a look at its daily chart, you can see, yeah, strongly bearish. But however, you can see there are upper projections that are still very much in play. They have been in place since when? Since Monday the 10th of March. Same with this one up here, 57.66, 43.23. You know, the probability of these two upper projections printing is they're not remote, simply just because of the fact that the stock has actually printed such prices before. It has printed them before, sometime in early December of last year. So that's just within, I would say that's in the medium term. It has actually printed them. So the probability of that happening is very much there. You know, even for this 43.37 in the short term is absolutely there. Let alone 26.21 and 31.74. You know, so stock is in a strong bearish trend. You know, extrapolation is to the downside. Weakness is expected to remain intact and continue up till the 9th of April based on its 10-day moving average. So based on the extrapolation of its 10-day moving average. And yeah, but at the same time, it's also expected to maintain the momentum it has up till Monday the 31st of March. Who knows whether this 17% dip will attract deep buyers. Okay, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart and see what's going on. Let's see what if the 4-hour chart. Yeah, no upper projections here. Strength is expected to remain intact up till Monday the 24th of March. So even with this weakness we are looking at right now, strength is expected to remain there. All of its short and intermediate moving averages are sloping bullishly upwards on this 4-hour chart. Let's have a look at the 3-hour chart. Yeah, we have upper projection here. Upper projections here. We have 20.19. We have 20.63. We have not exactly can see that around maybe 20, close to $21.7 or thereabout. You know, and strength is expected to remain intact as well in this 3-hour chart up till Monday the 24th of March. Yeah, so even though the stock has dipped, but the algos are still indicating that the momentum might be sustained. You know, so who knows whether it's going to be a buy the dip opportunity. So just let's get back and see what the loss is at now. Is 18.66. 18.6 is we can yes we check the news. The news was just strictly because of its poor earnings outcomes. But even at that, the underlying trend is not a bullish one either. And yeah, so just see what you make of TNXP. We have upper projections from 26.21 to 31.74 to 31.7 to 43.50 and 57.39. There's absolutely no guarantee that these will happen. Absolutely not. The key reason why we actually are covering it at the moment is just because of this dip that has just arisen now. But in the long term, this is not definitely not a stock to hold. But just see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.